Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About the first one, this one divided by this one divided by this one, and so on in here. So we have s plus 2 over s squared minus 1 over s to the power of 4. Next, if we want to put on numerator, we need to put the negative sign on the power. Similar for this one. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n dx, we have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and then I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula for this one, and this one. So this one we have number 2. This one we have negative number 1. This one we have negative number 3. And that is the final answer. Question number 2. This one we can put into the square root of number 2 and the square root of s. This one similar. Next, the square root of s, that's about s to the power of 1 over 2. Similar for this one. So I will put this one go to numerator. So we have s to the power of negative 1 over 2. And now we apply the same formula in here. This one we have 3 over 2. This one we have 1 over 2. And that is the final answer. The last one. This one we have s to the power of 1 over 2. Similar for this one. And now, this one we have s to the power of negative 1 over 2. This one we have s to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2, because this one multiplied by this one, so we have 1 plus 1 over 2. And that is about 3 over 2. And now we have the final answer. This one we have 1 over 2. This one we have 1 over 2. This one we have 5 over 2. And 5 over 2. That is the end. Thank you for watching. This is the end.